I could feel what was holding me back, and it was the hip flexor, y'all. Hello, y'all. My name is Jas. Welcome back to my channel. So about 90 days ago, I did a 30-day quarantine split challenge where I was trying to get this split in 30 days. And if you saw the video, you know that I did not get the split. Well, here it is, day 90, and your girl still struggling with this split, y'all. Like, I don't know what it is. So I'm going to just show y'all what I've been working on. I was originally supposed to give y'all like a 60-day update. I got so frustrated and so I ain't believing myself that I just kind of stopped stretching. I will say after about day 35, I slacked off. So I haven't been as consistent, but I'm back on it now because I did not go through all that pain in vain. So I just actually started searching like a whole bunch of stuff on Pinterest and a whole bunch of stuff on YouTube about what to do. And so as I got closer to like day 70, I would believe maybe about day 70, 72, I started noticing that I felt better in a bunch of those stretches, but I could feel what was holding me back, and it was the hip flexor, y'all. This hip flexor is so disrespectful. When I tell you, it is so disrespectful. So basically, today what we're gonna do for the remainder of this video is I'm just gonna stretch like what they say stretch on Pinterest, which is like holding each stretch for like about 2 minutes, a minute to 2 minutes. And we'll see if I have more progress than I did yesterday. Shout out to the folks who have been DMing me about my progress and just making me accountable, because I have been so frustrated with this split. I don't understand why I don't have it right now, but we are going to get this, okay? Going to get it. All this pain was not in vain. So here we go. So to ensure my legs were warm before attempting this, I ran a mile and then came home and started doing the stretches. To stretch my hamstrings, I did the standing wide leg fold and the hamstring push-up, and then went into the downward facing dog. All of these stretches were on Pinterest. This video is sped up, but I did try to hold each stretch for about 1 to 2 minutes. With the seated forward fold, I really tried to not like hunch my back. I know they say you want to put your chest to knees for the deepest stretch. And if you see I'm doing something wrong or say something wrong, y'all please be nice, because I am really learning. So for the lunge, I found out that I've been doing it wrong. You're supposed to engage your hips for a deeper stretch, which means like pushing your pelvis forward, and then you actually will feel the stretch more in your quads and in your hip flexors. I saw that pulling on your foot actually allows more of a hamstring and calf stretch, so I tried that as well. Now I will say the pigeon is probably one of my favorite stretches. On my left side, I'm not as flexible, so I have to use a yoga block to support me. And then on my right side, I'm actually a lot more flexible, which you will see. So I did hold my stretches on my right side just a little bit longer, because that is the side that I'm focusing on for the split. I noticed earlier in my split journey that when I was focusing on both sides, that I was getting overwhelmed and frustrated and was in a lot of pain. So now, even though I'm stretching both left and right sides, I am focusing more on my right split. I also saw that leaning forward while you're in the pigeon gives you a deeper stretch, but I really don't know. Can I tell you how much I hate the lizard pose? I hate it. So now, after doing all of those stretches, now I will attempt the split. And I'm using a yoga block for support. And as you can see, my left side is horrible. And my right side is a lot better. I did notice that my hips were not square in this pose, so I tried to flex my foot to try to make my hips stay stable, which I saw supposed to help. I had a real hard time squaring my hips, so if y'all have any tips about keeping your hips square, please leave that in the comments. Hurt. After falling, I did try to do the splits again, but with the flexed foot to see if that'll help keep my hip square. And don't let nobody tell y'all that stretching is not a workout, because I burn so many calories. So at this point, I was done stretching, y'all. I was hurting so bad. Here's a comparison of where I ended from day 30 of the split challenge. I know it's not much difference, but I feel a lot better in the stretches. All right, if you made it through that video, thank you for following along with me. I do appreciate all the help that I can get, all the tips, tricks, whatever you got, tell me, because I will try it. Also, the people who I've been watching on YouTube to try to help me with this is Olivia and then Tom Merritt. I guess somebody had asked him how long it's gonna take people to get a split that's not flexible, and I think he said 6 months. So at first I was like, nah, your girl will get it before 6 months, but it might really be 6 months for your girl. So, you know, hang in this journey with me, because we trying to get flexible like a human rubber band, okay? If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in the next video.